In this video, we'll demonstrate how we can have a master record and a child record on a single form, and we can resubmit the same form multiple times by adding new children and keeping the same master record on Salesforce. So for example, here we'll have the account as the master record and a child that can be added per form entry. So any additional form entries with new child records, i.e. contacts here, will be added to the same account on Salesforce using the Upsert functionality. Here we're using the account name, but we can use anything that is on the account record on Salesforce. So it can be account ID, it can be any unique identifier that we can then use for upserting purposes, or it can be a custom field. So I'll go to the mobile app now to demonstrate how this works and then how the records are created and linked on Salesforce. So here on the mobile app, we'll open the form to start a new form entry, and we'll provide the master record details. So this will be and then here we can create any number of child records per form submission. So this will be submission number 1. So I'll add Richard. And we can hit submit, so this will create or update the account on Salesforce. We already have the account with the same account name, and this will create a new contact. We can create additional contacts by hitting the submit and add new contact button here. So I'll click that. So now this submitted the first contact and linked it with the account above. So at any point I can go and create a new contact. And now I can hit submit. So I can see that I have 2 entries submitted. And if I go to Salesforce, so here on Salesforce, I can see the account, Salesforce account 1234. And if I scroll down, I can see both of the contacts are linked to the same master record on Salesforce. So this can be used for any custom objects on Salesforce. So you can create any number of linked child records to the same master record on Salesforce. If you have large forms with hundreds of fields, instead of using the repeat group, you can use a form entry per submission to create these child records on Salesforce.